Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel Lady K's. Today I am making a very beautiful patchwork style crochet bag. It's very easy to make, so let's get started. For that you would need double knit yarn in 5 different colors and a crochet hook in 4mm size. I'm starting off by chaining 75. These are in the multiples of 15. So each block is going to be of 15 stitches. So you can increase the size of the bag depending upon your need. You can reduce the size to a smaller one by reducing the number of stitches according to your need or style. I am chaining 15 for each color. So I will stop when I get to chain 75. There we are. The idea is to crochet a first block and using the first block as a foundation, make another one. So for start off, I am chaining 1 and it's a simple single crochet throughout. I am making single crochet, and for the first block I am making 15 single crochets. It's in white color, but remember you can use any color of your choice you're liking. But make sure that you're using 5 shades so that each color pops out when you put them together. Once you get the end of it, chain 1, turn over and make 15 single crochets. So it's a simple first basic crochet that every person learns when they are starting off learning crocheting. So there is nothing difficult in it. It's a very basic crochet stitch. 15 single crochets, and remember I am making 15 stitches every row until I get to row 15. So this gives us our first square in white. Snip off the yarn. The next square will be in cream color. So I'm snipping off this white yarn, and the next yarn I'm using is in cream color, and I'll be making 15 single crochet in the same manner the way I have done previously. Chain 1, turn around, and 15 single crochets. These will be 15 single crochet each row, and there will be 15 rows altogether in cream color. Since I'm using a very basic single crochet, so beginners and the people with very limited crocheting skill can also make this beautiful bag. It's not very complicated, it's very simple and very easy to make. If you like this tutorial, please do give me a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and loved ones as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. In each row there will be 15 single crochets, and there will be 15 rows each square, and the number of squares that I am making is 11. I am using 5 colors today, switching in between them, starting off from white, and there will be cream, and then there is beige, brown, and then black. So you can use any colors of your choice, but I am using 5 colors today. I'm done with the 2 colors, and then keep on going until you get to square number 11. The best thing about this project is that you don't have to make the squares separately and then sew them together, but we will be making them in such a way that we'll be crocheting them as you go. So using the first square, which is in white color, as a base square, and then I am making the next one in cream color. So in the next stitch we will be making a slip stitch. But first of all, just make a knot in order to keep the loose and secure, safe and secure. And then we will be making a first stitch, just like that, and chain 1. Take your hook out, and in the white square, if you can see the first hole, put the hook through, take the yarn and pull it through. So this joins the 2 squares together, the first row of the 2 squares together. Then we will be making another 14 single crochets, which would give us 15 single crochets altogether. While keeping the loose and safe, so that you don't have to sew them afterwards. The same way, turn around, chain 1, turn around, and make another 15 single crochets. Keep on making single crochets until you get to the last stitch, which would give us 15 single crochets. When you get to the last stitch, make 2 slip stitches, one in the first hole in the white square, and then into the next hole in the white square. And these are just simple slip stitches. Turn around and again make 15 single crochets. This would give us our third row of 15 single crochets. Again, make a row of 15 single crochet, and once you get to the last stitch, make a slip stitch into the white square. One slip stitch and another slip stitch. Keep on repeating until you get to 15 rows of 15 single crochets, and then change the color using the same technique, using the slip stitches. Keep on adding colors and keep on following the same route until you get to the last row. This gives us the body of the bag, which is 55 squares altogether in 5 different colors. And look at that, this looks so nice and so beautiful. And once you fold it like so, this would turn into a very beautiful bag. Now we need to make the side panels for the bag. Using the same technique, using the same colors, I am making panels for the both sides in order to give it some depth as well. I have used simple slip stitches to join the panels together as well, just like I have done for the main body of the bag, and this is how it turns out so beautifully. And it's such a good size bag, you can use it for any purpose you like, and the colors are popping out as well in such a beautiful manner. So the next step is going to be to make the border for the bag, and I have outlined it already in white color. You can use any color you like. I'll be switching in between the colors and would make a nice thick border for the bag. So I'm starting off with black one. The first row would be in white, and then the next row is in black, then beige, brown, tan, and then black again. Again, I'm using a single crochet to make the border for the bag, just like I have used for the rest of the body. And I'll be making rows in different colors. For the handle of the bag, I'm not making the handle today because I've already got a handle, a ready-made handle for the bag with the loops as well. I'll just be making loops, side loops for the bag, and the rest is all done. It's just the border that I need to finish up with. Once it's done, we will be done with the bag, and then we'll go on making the loops for the bag. I'm not going to line the bag today because it has turned out so neatly from inside as well that I don't need to line it, but if you really need to, you can also line the bag as well at this moment. So the border has turned out really nice. I have got these squishy plush leftovers from a different project, and I'll be using it to embellish the bag with these just to add some more character to the bag. It's very optional and you don't have to do it. The bag looks very nice as it is, but since I had these leftover ones and they went with the color scheme of the bag, so I thought, why not? I'll be making another one which also complements with the color scheme of the bag, and since I had leftovers, I thought, why not add it to the bag as well, but it's still very optional. If you don't wish to add, don't. The next step is to make the loops for the handles, and I'll be making on both ends. We'll start off with making a chain of 6. First, make a knot so that the loose end is secure, and then we'll be making chain 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Leave the next stitch and into the next stitch insert the hook in and make a slip stitch. Then make another slip stitch, turn around and make single crochet into the chain 6. that you have already made. This will give us our first loop. And the last stitch would be a slip stitch again. Repeat the process for the third time. Turn around and make single crochets into the loop, and this will give us our first loop. We'll be using the same technique to make the next one. I'm using store-bought handles for this project today, but if you don't have these and there's nothing to worry about, you just use single crochets to make a handle for the bag as well. So this was easy and handy, and I thought I would use this. But if you don't have this, there's nothing to worry about, just make it yourself. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.